County, Indiana. We've hiked this trail before. I'm gonna hike the trail or just go up here and see if I can catch a fish. See if the waterfall's flowing today. Yeah. Water's open. See if I can catch a fish. Stopped a couple times. So far, no bites. This is Trail 6. It's a easy trail. There are steps, but they're not too bad. I've been doing some trail maintenance. Got a bunch of stairs to go down to the lake. Go down here and see if I can catch a fish. Made it to the other end of the lake. No fish yet. And I'll get back with you. Wait a minute. Just passed up a nice root ball. Nice little outcropping. Got a little walk board. That's where the creeks come in, so it's would be quite swampy, I'd imagine. Very nice pieces of firewood there. nice root ball. Haven't seen any fishes moving or anything. It is like February 2nd, so it might be deep. A few little creeks that come in here. You want to see a bunch of the hiking trails down here. I got a playlist at Brown County State Park. Almost made it all the way back around. Trying to fish here one more time. Yep, no fish today. There's the old GMC van. It's a pretty nice little hike. The waterfalls are really neat. Now, let's see what else we find while we're down here. If you want to know what's going on in February, I'll take a picture of this. We're gonna climb the fire tower. Made it to the top. This one you can't go up in the top of it. What a view up. And Greg's gonna hike this horse trail. Of course, he wants to go straight uphill right off the bat. This is Horse Trail B. We're just doing a little hike around here. Nice little pond. It's a pretty neat trail. I don't think I've hiked any horse trails here yet. This is my first. Wow. Okay, we're back on Straw Lake hiking around. This time we got Norbert and Stella, my niece and nephew. It was their ideal. Oh, hold on. She's kind of famous too. It's Caudale's Corral. Check her out.
About once or twice a year.
Yeah.
It's just that one big loop. So.
Yeah, I've walked around it.
The 9 miles or whatever.
Yeah. Goes up on like where you overlook the dam.
I think they got more hiking trails than